Hello YouTube, back again, part 2. Just letting you know, here was a problem, the broken green wire. I have then since put a 14 to 18 gauge butt splicer back into the green wire, and now I have lights. Well, I always had lights, but now I have a right turn signal. Look at her flashing. Hello. That's what they call master technician. Anyways, no big deal. I mean, really, I was thinking, listen, I've had this boat like 363 days, and who knows how long it's not worked. But I'm thinking, this Bass Tracker, Bass Pro Shop boat, ordered, bought it, paid cash. I've probably put this thing in the water like 20 times. My friend's following me behind me today, and he's like, hey, dude, you have no brake light or no right turn signal. Everything else works great. Okay. Thought it was a bulb, right? No, these are sealed units. I watch other YouTubers like, oh, you got to seal the lights, otherwise they're going to go bad. No, that ain't the case. It's actually already a sealed light. Like an LED would be, but they're not LED, or maybe they are, but anyway, it's a sealed light. So there's no lens, you take it off and put a new bulb in it, nothing like that. It's a whole light fixture. Anyway, so you see my fix, everything works. Again, thanks to Bass Pro. What they didn't do is this portion of wire was right on the edge of that metal. So as the cord dangled and bounced around and everything, it just ate through the shrink tubing. As you can see, okay, there's shrink tubing on every wire, right? Not mine, I just fixed it. However, that was the problem. Broken wire. So now, if they would have left this portion out a little bit farther before the zip tie that used to be right here, which is this little bitty thing, it probably wouldn't have done that because it's a plastic sheathing that helps protect that, and then you have a sheathing inside of that. However, where it was way up there. So right in the thinnest portion, it just, your wire hangs down, obviously not when you're hooked up, but when it's just trailered, whatever, sitting there doing nothing, which it shouldn't be bouncing, or maybe it was caused from bouncing, it just rubbed right through, broke the wire in two. There's a simple fix, YouTube. Bass Tracker 2018 bass boat, Heritage Edition, black trailer. Everything works. However, you're going to have problems. There's a simple fix. Have a good day.